Hello, my friends. Do you know about this plant? Do you know in which country it's grown the most? Join us to explore this exciting journey about this special plant. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to continue accompanying us in the future. Meet the artichoke, a herbaceous plant native to the Mediterranean region. Does this image bring a smile to your face? Artichoke harvest typically kicks off in late July or early August and extends until frost sets in. The shoots are typically gathered when they've reached full size, but before the bracts start to unfurl. Harvesting artichokes involves cutting off the buds, along with their 3-inch long stems. Not only is it a nutritious vegetable, but it also doubles as a striking ornamental plant. Growing up to 3 feet in both height and width, the flower, if left to blossom, can span up to 7 inches in diameter. Finally, I had the opportunity to visit the Ocean Mist Farms in California, a leading artichoke farm. As soon as I stepped in, I began to feel the pride and dedication they put into growing and caring for artichoke plants. With nearly 100 years of experience, this farm has invested much effort in selecting and nurturing the best varieties of artichokes. I was impressed by their commitment and focus on quality. Guided through the artichoke fields, I was briefed on the meticulous harvesting process, selecting only the perfectly ripe ones. Every step of this process reflects the passion and dedication of the Ocean Mist Farms team. I also witnessed advanced preservation and packaging methods, making each artichoke bearing this brand truly remarkable. Yet cultivating large, high-quality artichoke buds is no small feat. It's a meticulous endeavor that demands unwavering care to nurture the plants for optimal growth. Stepping into the field, I was struck by the farmers' attentive dedication and genuine affection for their artichoke plants. I observed the workers maneuvering modern tillage machines, essential tools in the cultivation process. These machines not only combat weeds, but also cultivate a loose, fertile environment, fostering the ideal conditions for artichoke plants to flourish. Cutting-edge irrigation systems play a pivotal role in nurturing artichoke crops. Utilizing advanced automation and intelligent controls, these systems are a marvel of modern agriculture. By integrating soil moisture sensors and real-time weather data, they meticulously assess water requirements and seamlessly adjust irrigation schedules. This precision ensures that each artichoke plant receives precisely the right amount of water, mitigating the risks of both water scarcity and overwatering. Have you heard of this innovative tool? It's known as the bug vac, a distinctive and invaluable device in the care of artichokes. With its robust propeller and suction system, this swiftly and efficiently eliminates pests and insects that cling to the artichoke flowers. Artichokes are a food that contains a lot of nutrients. If you like them, please comment number 1. Are you intrigued by the idea of joining the annual Artichoke Festival held here in May? If you're up for the challenge, victory could mean being crowned as the esteemed Artichoke Queen, representing the renowned Artichoke Center. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of artichoke processing. Ferrara has revolutionized the industry with a lineup of unique and efficient artichoke processing machines, elevating convenience and quality to new heights. Crafted with precision and expertise, Ferrara's equipment is tailor-made to handle artichokes swiftly and professionally. Standing before these remarkable machines, I was spellbound by their performance and accuracy. Engineered to revolve around the artichoke, they effortlessly strip away outer leaves and swiftly cut the stem with precision. Each step unfolds seamlessly and continuously, ensuring every artichoke emerges fresh and uniform. Thanks to the cutting-edge technology and meticulous design, Ferrara's processing machines deliver unparalleled reliability and performance, setting a new standard in the artichoke industry. The Mod CLV20P continuous routing pot is your ultimate solution for cooking a variety of foods, including artichokes, hearts, and artichoke bottoms. With its intelligent design and exceptional performance, this product streamlines the cooking process with efficiency and speed. To maintain product quality throughout cooking, initial pre-processing is meticulously controlled at a temperature range of 48 to 50 degrees Celsius, preventing thermal shock for delicate items. Let me take you on a journey through the artichoke production process of Greci Specialata per Ristorazione, a meticulous and professional endeavor dedicated to crafting high-quality, delicious, and long-lasting fresh products. Following the harvest, the artichokes undergo a rigorous selection process and thorough washing to rid them of any dirt and impurities. Next, they're delicately sliced into small pieces and subjected to a cold pressing technique to preserve their flavor and freshness. Then it's off to the production line for the canning phase, where specially designed metal cans ensure food safety and optimal product preservation. Welcome to the Artichoke processing line of Puma Conserve, the industry leader renowned for its production of top-quality artichokes. Through the seamless integration of cutting-edge technology and expert production processes, Puma Conserve has cemented its reputation as a trusted supplier of premium quality artichokes. The automatic packaging machine safeguards artichokes from impacts, preserving their flavor intact. Packaging procedures adhere to hygiene and food safety standards. Utilizing advanced technology ensures optimal preservation during transportation and storage. Ocean Mist Farms packaging line is dedicated to delivering high-quality, fresh and safe artichokes to customers.